Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing two different DIY Valentine's wreaths, and I got all the supplies to make those wreaths at the Dollar Tree. The first wreath I'm going to be showing you I spent $3 on, and the second one I spent $8. So both wreaths are under $10 for the supplies. Before we get into this video, if you are new, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, I am doing post notification shoutouts at the end of every video, so stay tuned for the end to see who gets shouted out. Let's start the video. Okay guys, I'm going to be taking you with me to the Dollar Tree to shop for the supplies. As you guys can see, they have a lot of different Valentine's things. I see a ton of different things I could use. I'm going to shop around some more and I'll see you when I get home. Okay, so here are the things I purchased for the wreaths. I did decide that I am going to be doing two different ones. This big heart is actually already a wreath, but I am going to be adding a few things to it to dress it up a little bit more. I got 4 different stems of flowers. I also got this heart sign to hang on the second wreath, and it is also a chalkboard. And my dog Daisy thinks she's going to be helping me today. Okay, I'm going to be hanging up the pre-made wreath I got. You could use the wreath how it came, but I want to add some flowers all over it. First, I'm going to be using some of these red roses. When I place the flowers, I'm going to be placing them in kind of random spots, but I want to keep it even looking and not all in one spot. If you are wondering, the wreath is put together with braided plastic, so I'm just going to be weaving the flower stem in and out so it sticks to the wreath. Now I'm going to be adding some cream roses, and I do the same thing to keep them on the wreath. Okay guys, I spent $2 in flowers and $1 for the wreath, so I only spent $3 for this cute, simple wreath. Now with that sign I got, I'm going to be taking some chalk that you can also buy from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to write a cute little message. The wreath I'm going to be using isn't from the Dollar Tree. I've had it for a couple years. I got it from Walmart for $5. I like to use signs on my wreaths for a centerpiece, something that draws attention to it. For this wreath, I got some red roses that have some red glittery hearts and some baby's breath. Again, I'm going to be randomly placing these roses and hearts on the wreath, but I'm going to be keeping it even and not all in one spot. This wreath is made of twigs and vines wrapped together, so it's pretty easy to wind the flower stem in and out of the wreath to hold. With the same cream roses I used earlier, I'm going to be placing those on the wreath randomly. The wreath itself cost $5 and the supplies I used cost $3, so I spent a total of $8 for this wreath. I forgot to film an outro, so here's today's notification shout out. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. I appreciate you so much.